Good morning, dear student. In our English, our 10 lesson name is A Boy Who Hated Vegetables here. So we see here in activity 5 that read the part 1 and part 2 of the story. Then arrange the following sentences in proper order and rewrite them in your notebooks here. So we can say that what occurred here the first. So we can say that Jeet did not like to eat vegetable. This sentence come first here. Then second sentence, that is he greedily put a piece of pizza into his mouth. This sentence comes second here. Then third one, he found he found the pizza very bitter here. He found the pizza very bitter here. This sentence come third portion, third parts here, third number. Then a chocolate. A chocolate biscuit cake was being brought to him. Jeet put a piece of chocolate biscuit cake into his mouth and he found it is so salty here. This sentence come fourth number. Then in 5 number, then Jeet put a piece of chocolate biscuit cake into his mouth and he found it is so salty here. This sentence come fifth number. Then in sixth number, we can say that in the middle of the night, Jeet crept hungrily to the fridge here. This sentence comes in a sixth number. Then in seventh number, he took out a slab of chocolate and took a big bite, but his tongue burned because the vegetables had rubbed chili on the chocolate. This sentence comes in a second number here. Then in 8 number, but his tongue burnt because the vegetables had rubbed chilies on to the chocolate here. This sentence comes in a 8 number here. Then we can say that in a 9 number, Jeet turned to a big bowl of gajar halwa. Here this sentence comes in a 9 number. Then Jeet turned to a big bowl of gajar halwa and he ate up all halwa in the bowl here. So this sentence comes in a 10 number here. So we have to write these numbers in a book here. Then after here, say to the following tongue twister here as fast as you can hear. So in activity 6, this is a tongue twister and we have to read this very fastly. So we cannot read these words, this sentence properly here due to very fastly. It occurred the tongue twister, we can say that. So phrase fried fish phrase fried fish fried phrase here. So here we fill the tongue twister here. Now we have to write another pair of the words to make such a tongue twister here. So freight fat freight bread and ted fat freight bread here. A cup of coffee in a copper coffee pot. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe sign shop that double bubbles gum, bubble double gums here. So when we read this sentence here, this word here, so we feel tongue twister here due to reading fast here. We can't read this aloud very fast here. Then after in activity 7, here are some scrambled words related to the fruit here, vegetable or junk food here, and all the delicious food we eat every day are given here. So arrange later and make meaningful word here. So we can say that PAIZZ, that is the spelling of pizza here. Then AOGERN, this is fruit name, that is orange here. Then TARYREBWSR, that is a strawberry here. That is a fruit name here. NRCO, that is a corn. Then OOMTTA, that is a tomato here given here. Then RCIE, that is a rice here. This is a rice here. Then after EECHSE, that is cheese here. Then LPPAE, that is apple. Then OAOTPT, that is potato here. Then UOPS, that is soup here, we can make here. Then classify the following words according to the categories given on the next page here. So water, cabbage, strawberry, chips, orange, juice, onion, mango, pizza, cock. Then potato, lemon, sandwich, soda, mushroom, peas, french fries, coffee, carrot, apple and burger is given here. So we have to arrange this name in a proper box here. Like we can say that the fast food we can classify here, like chips is a fast food, pizza is a fast food, sandwich is a fast food, french fries is a fast food, then burger is a fast food here. So we have to classify the names and we have to write in a proper box. Then fruit name, that is a strawberry, orange, mango, peach, apples are the names of the fruit here. Then vegetable, that is a cabbage, onion, potato, lemon and carrot are the names of the vegetables here. Then soft drinks here, like the water, juice, coke, soda and coffee are the names of drinks here. So we have to drink such a food here. Then after given here in activity 8, so color the following picture using the different color and list the things which you can see in the pictures here. So we have to write the first of all we have to fill the colors in these pictures and we have to write what we can see here, like a banana we can see here, then fruit names also, then pumpkin is given here, watermelon is given here. So we have to write the names of which kind of the pictures you can see here in this picture here. Then in activity 9 given here, read and enjoy here. So we have to read it here, we have to identify, like chop me and slice me, but keep water near, I sometimes get juicy and can bring on a tear. Tell me who am I? That is our answer is onion here. Then in second, I carry white flour. I carry white flour to break off and eat. I am sometimes served raw nutritious snacks treat. Tell me who am I? That is a cauliflower here. That is cauliflower. I carry white flour to break off and eat. I am sometimes served raw a nutritious snakes treat. That tell me who am I? That is a cauliflower here. Then I am the queen of field, mother of all the vitamins here. Then soft inside, but from the top look like a proud orange globe. That is tell who am I? That is a pumpkin here. We can say that I am the queen of field, mother of all vitamins. Soft inside, but from the top look like proud orange glow. Tell me who am I? That is a pumpkin is right answer. Then in activity 10, that is a picture of the poem is given here. Then green vegetable and fresh fruit, carrot, tomato and orange juice. Mummy say eat them all. It make us healthy and strong. What is your favorite fruit dish here? Once again, green vegetable and fresh fruit. Green vegetable and fresh fruit. We have to eat green leafy vegetables and fresh fruit. Carrot, tomato and orange juice. Mummy say eat them all. You have to eat all these things here. That it make us healthy. It make us healthy and strong. It is helpful to us. These vegetables and fruit make us healthy and strong. What is your favorite fruit dish? So which is your favorite fruit dish you have to show here. So we learn here the importance of the vegetables and fruit in this lesson. Jeet was hesitating initially. Jeet does not like to eat vegetable, but at the end of the lesson Jeet like to eat vegetable and vegetable product here. Okay, thank you.